Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto in our channel Crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries of this world. But before that, don't forget to put like, comment to this video and follow to our channel to receive notification about all our videos. So let's go now and see you after this intro.
So welcome back now to the second part of our video. So what if I told you there is a token that breaks the energy of sports into the explosive world of meme coins? Meet XYZVerse, the first all-sports meme coin combining sports fandom with the power of crypto. So as you see here, this is the website of XYZVerse.io, and I really like the branding. So whether you are football or MMA or esports, XYZ makes it fun, rewarding and engaging to be part of the action. And while a pre-sale that's already booming, now is the perfect time to jump in this project. As you see here, the stage nearly $7 million of 7 million and a half. As you see here, the listing price is $0.1 and plus 4,900% here. So the target now raised is 93% until now. You can connect your wallet by here and you can purchase the XYZ by Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Smart Chain, all the network as you see here. Even you can have it by Visa or MasterCard. It's very easy. So how to buy? You must click here first of all, and we will have all the steps of buying. So as you see, you must install MetaMask or Trust Wallet, create a new wallet and save the seed phrase. The step 2 is connect your wallet to any supported network like Ethereum, Polygon or BSC. The step 3 is if you want to change the payment token, click on the token icon to change. The step 4 is input the amount you want to spend in the XYZ token and make sure that your wallet balance is sufficient to purchase the XYZ including the gas fees. And finally, click buy XYZ to approve the transaction. It's very easy. You must click here and you can do all that from here. So XYZ is the first meme coin designed specially for sports fans. It's like the Dogecoin of sports with a real utility and exciting roadmap. And with 900% growth during pre-sale, XYZ has already gained serious momentum. The project raised nearly $3 million and analysts predicted that 900% price surge by the time is listed on a major exchange. Okay, verified by Analytics Insight, Cointelegraph, Bitcoin List and also Crypto Daily. So as I said, XYZVerse, which will be the GOAT of meme coins. No more rug pulls. So as you see, XYZ isn't here to play games, it's to win them. Big moves, big rewards, so skip the braids and bogus. This is the coin that brings memes and moonshots together. Born for a long game. XYZVerse was forced in bear markets and came out stronger. So they're not just surviving, they're thriving and they are solid vibes. They are driven by community, fueled by action. Even XYZ transaction fueled buyback, burns and pure community joy. Their mission is simple, reward holder and take the meme all the way to the top. So why XYZ? It's for all sports, memes and any other reason. So born in the bear market, as we said, real ecosystem and revenue driving buyback and community joy. For me, what makes XYZ stand out from the other coins is first of all, community driven, built for sport fans, powered by strong growing community. The XYZVerse, a hope of sport lovers, play to earn gaming and rewards. The Polygon powered, so fast and low cost transaction with no gas fees. Plus XYZ is more than just a token, it's an entire sports ecosystem featuring stacking, play to earn gaming and real world sports partnership. This is the part of the section, so you can go to the frequently asked question in the last of the page. We will see it, but before that, let's check the roadmap. So now we are in the first Q of 2025. As you see, the pre-launch was in the Q4 of 2024. And this is all the steps from A to Z, including token generation, gamification and play to earn the Q3, sports celebrity collaboration, digital entertainment expansion, brand partnership and events, community growth and feedback loop. So this is the roadmap that you can check it by your own and see all the details from A to Z. So as you see here, you will see the tokenomics. This is the tokenomics from the pre-sale marketing incentive, liquidity development ecosystem team, calls, deflationary burn. As you see, this is all from A to Z, including all percentage and also the details of how many tokens in all the categories. So you can check the address of this coin in the Polygon network. So this is the contract address, and here you can check the frequently asked question, including what is XYZVerse, what deal with the XYZVerse, how to ape the XYZVerse. All the questions that you will need, we will find it here in this section. You can drop your email here for all the news, so email and subscribe. Also can check all the social network, including X, Telegram here. So let's check the X of this project. As you see, it's verified. All the news you will find it here. So as you see, let's go back to check also the Telegram form here. And as you see, this is the Telegram of our project with over 30,000 subscribers with a verified channel. As you see here, you can ask them anything here, including all the details. So if you need anything, you can ask him here, or you can ask me in the comment section if you need anything from this project. Thank you very much for your trust. Don't forget another time to put like to this video if you like it, comment about any question as I said. Also follow to our channel, it's very helpful for us, and see you in the next video.